Welcome to another video on C programming video series. In this video, we will see how we can download and install Visual Studio Code in Windows computer. So what we have to do is we have to open up any browser that is installed in the computer. I have Microsoft Edge, and here in the URL bar, we will enter the website address as code.visualstudio.com, and we will open up the website. And here we can straight away see the option to download for Windows. We will click on that. Now it will take us to this particular page and the download will begin. We will wait for the download to finish. Now once the download is complete, we will click on Open File. It will open up the Visual Studio Code installer. Here we will accept the license agreement. Click on Next. And here we will not change anything. Click on Next. Next, and here make sure that you check these two checkboxes which say add open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu and the directory context menu. Check all these options and then click on Next and then click on Install. Now once the installation is complete, we will check this option which says launch Visual Studio Code and we will click on this Finish. It will automatically open up the Visual Studio Code. From this point onwards, we can set up the Visual Studio Code for C and C++ programming. So this is how we can install VS Code in Windows. In the next video, we will see how we can set it up for C programming. So thank you for watching. See you later in the next video.